I've played around and I found a way that will make the Toddle interface more useful. Seeing SC for science is not that useful, but I've put custom icons here for these other ones, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it for my current class of 10.05. So in some document, make some little squares, have your numbers. Mine is going to be darker, so I'm going to match my timetable, and this font will be white. Good. I'm going to screenshot Command Control Shift 4 to go to my clipboard. I'm going to go to Preview and say New from Clipboard. I'm going to save this as 10.5. Now in Toddle, this is under Settings, and under Class Settings, how you get to the screen. Click up here to edit the icon. I'm going to click Upload. I'm going to choose my new 10.5. And you can crop just the bit that you want. I think there, it needs to be a square shape. I click Add. It will upload. Okay, so now when I see my classes, it's much easier for me to see the numbers that matter to me versus having to see this. And whatever class I'm in, I know them in the class because it's in the side. Hopefully this helps make your Toddle experience more useful. Enjoy your day.